Name is Nikki, but my name ain't Nicole. Name ain't Nicole.
We both have secrets, but you got me speechless, you know.
Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. So today is Friday. That means it's Face Chart Friday. And this one is a face chart that I found and picked myself because I promised someone, shout out to Allison, I promised her that I would use the bright pink that is in the Shaaanxo palette. This look the chart was created by Milk1422, of course, but he said that he was inspired by Desi Perkins. So yeah, it's all of that encompassed into one look. It's a very pink look. So let's get started. So it's probably really hard to see in the little picture that's somewhere. But it's like this weird eye detail. I don't know if it's on the false lashes or if there's something on the lid. I'm not wearing false lashes today because I have to go to work, and the side lashes in the picture is very dramatic, and yeah, I'm just not gonna put those on for work. So I'm going to take this Jeffree Star watermelon soda because it is that pink shade, and I'm using an eyeliner brush, but that's totally fine. I'm just gonna so it's not too crazy, but it's there. And this is the finished look. I took another Jeffree Star liquid lip in the shade Calabasas, put that on the top, and there's no lipstick on the bottom, there's just this. And I put this on top of the Calabasas to make it appear glossy, and then the bottom lip is just this by itself. And I like this look, even the little eye detail, I like it. It's very pink. This could totally be a Valentine's Day look. I think I need to bring the shadow down a little more though, so you can actually see it. So I did wind up adding a little more shadow and going lower with it, and I really like this look. I didn't think I would. This is so much pink. I mean, I've done really pink looks before, but I feel like this one's really pink. Maybe. I don't know, but I like it. I like it a lot, especially the lower lash line. I don't know. Maybe I should start bringing the color lower because I like that a lot. That is it for this video. If you see any face charts that you want me to try to recreate, let me know. And if they're complicated, don't worry, I can always do the more complicated ones at night so then I don't have to wear it to work. But this is this one. I like it. I'm gonna go put my shoes on and go to work. And I will see you next time. Bye.